Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be unboxing a 2021 Hot Wheels. This is really cool. This is the 96 Chevrolet Impala SS. From the Hot Wheels Rescue Series number 6 of 10. This is the newest version of this Impala SS. Hot Wheels Rescue, so this is a fire and rescue vehicle. 227 of 250. 2021. This is from the N case, GTB 12. And Hot Wheels Rescue is fearless and fast to respond. These vehicles save the day. And this has a 2019 casting copyright, which means it first came out in 2020. I'll put a picture on screen of what the 2020 version looked like. I don't have that version. I first started hardcore collecting these cars this year, so without further ado, let's get it open. And nice open there because there was not much glue on it. Let's take a nice look at this 1996 Chevy Impala SS. Good spinning wheels. Wow. Hey, there's a little extra speck of metal on there. Wheels don't spin independently, but they spin well. Look at this casting. This is sharp. Nice. Love my Impalas. Just a very cool casting. Let's take a look at the side. This car is from the M case. The N case, sorry. Look at that. Beauty. Number 68 on the side with Fire and Rescue. Chief Fire Department. And yellow and red striping on this car. You can take a good look at those decals on the side. Interior, you can see the interior a little bit. I don't know how well you can see the interior there. I got another one of these on a mint card, so I got one to open and one to keep. Black deep dish 8-spoke wheels. Slick design. Love my old Chevys. Front there, you can see the Chevy Impala. Kind of has that Caprice look to it. Wonder if they've made a Caprice before. Caprices used to be really popular police cars. But this is a fire and rescue car, which I've never seen an Impala fire and rescue. They used to use Malibus as the police cars in the early 2000s. Look at this casting though, it's so sleek and it looks beautiful. There's the back of it there. Nice. The base is plastic, made in Malaysia, and it's a black plastic base. I think this is a very good looking casting. I think this is an awesome vehicle. Thanks so much for tuning in. Please subscribe to the channel for more if you don't want to miss out on diecast videos like this. I do showing off of diecast cars. I do unboxings, like stuff like that. I do more too. Thanks for tuning in. Subscribe to the channel for more. I'll see you in the next video. But I did not drop the Impala. I would never drop